everybody, Paul here. If you've never heard this before, it's going to sound a little crazy, but the oxygen sensor on your car is actually an electrical generator that creates its own voltage. Let's take a look. Now this applies to any old or new style oxygen sensor that has 1, 2, 3, or even 4 wires. This particular oxygen sensor that I'll demonstrate with has 4 wires. We have 2 black, 1 white, and 1 blue. Simply take a digital voltmeter and attach one of the probes to the outside of the oxygen sensor casing. You can do this with a stationary bench vise or with handheld vice grips like I have here. Now attach the second probe from the digital voltmeter to the signal wire on the oxygen sensor harness connection, which in this case is the blue wire, and on the inside connection point here. Next, turn the digital voltmeter to a low DC volt setting. If the oxygen sensor is operating at peak performance, it should get close to 1 volt DC as I apply heat to the oxygen sensor probe. This is a used one, so let's see what we get. So as you can see, we got up to a maximum reading of 0.84 volts. So aside from the fact of showing you that an oxygen sensor creates its own voltage, which is pretty cool, this is also another way to see if it's still functioning. Of course, you can be sure that when it no longer functions the way it should, your check engine light will come on and show the appropriate trouble code with a computer scanner. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.